In this video, you will learn how to configure Security Management Center domains, and how they can be used to keep different next-generation firewalls and their configurations separate. The domain feature has been built into the SMC, but it requires a separate license. In other words, when putting SMC domains into use, it is not necessary to install any additional software. Only a proper license is needed. To begin, log into the shared domain, and navigate to Configuration, Administration, Licenses, Servers. You can create as many SMC domains as your domain's license allows. To go to Domains View, expand the Other Elements view and click Domains. Domains View lists all existing domains, and you can create new domains here. Shared domain is a special domain which is always created when the SMC is installed. The management server is always located in the shared domain. It can be used to manage NGFWs normally, but you should keep in mind that all elements in the shared domain are visible to all other domains. Other domains do not have visibility between each other. For example, firewalls and policies in the ACME domain are not visible to any other domain. You can create a new domain by right-clicking in the domains list and selecting New Domain. The only mandatory domain configuration is the name. Other configurations are optional. These allow you to define contact information for domains and set different filters by default when logging into this domain. You can also change the look and feel of a domain by using the settings, logo and announcement. User alerts allow triggering of alerts when configured events are detected. With the SMC domain, engines and their configurations can be isolated from each other. This can be used, for example, when managing several customers with the same SMC, or isolating configurations and engines between different company departments, for one customer. Domains can also be used to limit administrator rights. The superuser role account, which has access to all domains, has been used to log in to the SMC. For this reason, all domains are visible and accessible. The ACME domain has an admin account that can only access and edit elements in the ACME domain. Log in to the ACME domain. Navigate to Configuration, Administration, Access Rights, Administrators. In Permissions, this admin has been given the editor role to the ACME domain. Let's see how this looks when we log in using this admin. This admin logs in directly to the ACME domain, but does not see the same selection screen as the superuser admin. Select Configuration, and view the NGFW engines. All elements from the shared domain are visible in other domains. These are identifiable by a blue arrow in the lower left corner of the master engine icon. In this example, all master engines are in the shared domain and visible in other domains. While it is possible to see elements from the shared domain in other domains, it is not possible to edit their configuration. Configuration is possible only when you're in the same domain in which the elements reside. Finally, the ACME virtual firewall is in the ACME domain, even though the master cluster where this virtual firewall runs is in the shared domain. As the ACME virtual firewall is in the ACME domain, it is possible to configure it from this domain.